Hi guys, Andrea Spar here, and this is my presentation on lovastatin for Professor Bayo's class. Lovastatin, aka Mevacor. Lovastatin is an HMG-CoA reductase inhibitor. It is a cholesterol-lowering medication called a statin prescribed to treat elevated blood cholesterol levels. Mevacor is also available in a generic form. Statins reduce cholesterol by inhibiting an enzyme in the liver, HMG-CoA reductase, that is necessary for the production of cholesterol in the blood. Statins lower total cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, which is your LDL cholesterol, and that one is the bad cholesterol, and your triglycerides. Biosynthesis. So here is a diagram of where you would start with the acetyl-CoA and work your way down and across, and we'll go into further detail of this diagram and several others in the slides to come. The cholesterol synthesis steps can be divided into 1. Mevalonate synthesis, 2. Isopentyl phosphate synthesis, 3. Squalene formation, 4. Linosterol synthesis, and 5. Cholesterol formation. And you'll see to the right another diagram, which is basically just redesigned from the previous one to give you a little more detail in the steps and where it goes. Two acetyl-CoAs combine to form acetyl-CoA, releasing CoA-SH in the presence of thiolase. Acetyl-CoA also condenses to form 3-hydroxy-3-methylglutarol-CoAs, which is your HMG-CoA, catalyzed by HMG-CoA synthesis. These enzymes are different from the enzymes used in the ketone body synthesis in mitochondria. HMG-CoA is reduced by HMG-CoA reductase using NADPH to mevalonate. This enzyme is the regulatory enzyme of the pathway and is inhibited by statins and the best lipid-lowering drugs. Mevalonate is phosphorylated by 3 kinases, subsequently utilizing 3 ATPs and then decarboxylated to form isopentenyl diphosphate, which is where we are here on the diagram. Isopentenyl diphosphate 5C isomerizes to 3,3-dimethyl diphosphate 5C by shifting a double bond and then condensation with isopentenyl diphosphate. Forms general diphosphate 10C, which we come back up here. Another isodiphosphate molecule joins to form the 15C compounds here. Farnesyl diphosphate. 2 such 15C molecules fuse to form 30C squalenes. So moving down. Squalene is oxidized at squalene 2,3 epoxide by squalene epoxidase. During cyclization to linosterol, a methyl group shifts from C14 to C13 and forms C8 and C14. The methyl groups of C14 and C4 are removed to form 14-decimal linosterol and then zymosterol. The double bond at C8 and C9 is subsequently shifted to C5 and C6 in 2 groups, forming desmesterol, the final steps in the reduction of the double bond of the side chain yielding a cholesterol molecule figure, which is this figure here. So what does all this mean put together? This is a simplified diagram showing you where acetyl-CoA is, where you see this HMG-CoA reductase, and then you have your cholesterol down here. So inhibition, role of lovastatin is inhibition of cholesterol synthesis, the cellular and molecular mechanism of statins by considering the biosynthetic pathway of cholesterol. The main steps relating to the reduction in cholesterol synthesis is the decrease in the precursor mevalonate by the inhibition of HMG-CoA reductase. By inhibiting the HMG-CoA to mevalonate, the biosynthesis of two major downstream products of mevalonate, cholesterol production and synthesis of isoprenoids are influenced. Just want to thank you guys for watching my presentation. This is another funny meme at the end. Most potent statin, rovastatin.